Yeah, we did this today. Welcome back, guys. Thank you guys for tuning into this new video that we have for you today. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. If it's red, turn it gray. That means you'll be subscribed to us then. Also, hit that bell notification so you're notified when we put up a new video. As you can see, I have a box here. Well, I was out today doing a community yard sale, which the video should already be up. If not, it will be up very soon. But I was driving home and I noticed this church was having a sale going on, and the sign outside said, fill a box for 10 bucks. Well, I filled this box for 10 bucks. Now, I could have filled 2 boxes for 15, but honestly, it was very picked over. It was already a couple hours into that sale, plus the sale has been going on for 2 weeks already. So I went through and I found some stuff, and I wanted to just to get this box full. We did find some good stuff though. Well, I did. I was the only one out. The kids and the wife are fighting a head cold, so I went out by myself and I found some stuff. The one thing that is not in here, because my wife already claimed it, was a Tupperware bread container, storage container, so she could keep her bread in the fridge. So she liked it. I told her she gets first dibs on all the Tupperware. So the first thing I'm going to show you out of this box is these Corningware pieces. Now you may see price stickers on them, but everything I could fit in this box was 10 bucks. So we got the cream and the sugar. So pretty cool pieces. They are very clean inside. The lids have a little bit of tarnishing on them, but I think that's pretty normal considering the age. I know this is a pretty popular one. I'm almost positive this is Corningware. Semco, I think it is Corningware. It feels like Corningware, it looks like Corningware, but I'll do some more research. I'm going to save this for last because I have a little story behind this piece right here. One of the first things I noticed when I walked in there was these Cat's Meows. They're from 1991 and 1996. I kind of just threw them in the box just to fill it up, just because there was like I said, there wasn't a lot of stuff just because it was already going on for a while. So picked up these two. We'll see how they do. I'm not expecting much out of them. The next thing up was these frames for hard-boiled eggs, the Eggies. They've never been used. Instructions are supposed to be in here. I'm not even sure what Eggies are. I thought I heard of them before. So that's what they are. All of them are in here. They look like, kind of like nipples for a baby bottle. Really interesting. So we'll do a little bit more research on those. Sorry if I seem exhausted. It was a long morning out at the community sales and this sale, and then I came home and cut the grass. It was super hot, so we're getting ready for our Saturday Night Live, but I wanted to film these haul videos before I did all that. The next thing up, we have this JCPenney's mini travel iron. Thought it was kind of cool. Kind of looked like it was brand new in box whenever I looked. It didn't look like it was, I mean, it's still wrapped up. Everything looks like it's in there. Pretty interesting. Also, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to start something new with these haul videos, because since I didn't film today, and then once you watch the other video, you understand why I didn't film today. But I'm going to try to keep a running tally of what I spent and my projected profit up in the corner. This one will be a little bit different because with what I spent, I'm going to take everything that's in this box, divide it by $10, and that's how much my cost of goods will be for this box. For each item, actually. Next up, we got this 1-all-4. It's a universal replacement coffee carafe, brand new. I'm going to actually scan it right now while I'm doing this. You got anything good? Oh, $17.99, brand new. Let's see what some of the solds look like. 5 have sold, $8.99. Seems like it's on average. $8.99 plus shipping or $17.99. Free shipping. But you know, I don't like free shipping, so I'll probably list this at about $6.99. Next up, this was very interesting. It is an Omega Link OLRS GM2. And actually, it has this on here. Somebody wrote new on it, but it is a range extender kit, or I'm still not 100% sure what it is. And I'm actually going to open it right now. I think it's like a wiring harness for a car. I'll show you what it is. Then I'm going to show you what their prices are listed at on eBay, because this thing completely shocked me. Because I mean, if this thing was sitting there, and I think they had like $2 or $3 on it, and everybody passed it up. Okay, here's the person's receipt. It's for a 2012 Malibu. But yeah, it's a wiring harness. Right there. Everything's in here. With all the wires for it. It's a standalone remote start and keyless entry solution for GM mid-size models. Wow. Pretty interesting. But I'm going to show you some of the comps on this. Now I did find one that sold for $149, but look at this. I mean, we're talking over $100. All of them are here listed. I'm probably going to list this at about $90 just to move it, because I think it's going to sell. I can lowball a lot of people here, but I don't like normally doing that. But hey, if I wanted to sell, I could sell it because I'm still going to make money on this one. Up was this Smith & Corona multi-strike film ribbon, brand new in the package. I figured, hey, I'm going to take a shot on this just because it is brand new. And I figured, hey, let's see what happens. So I'm going to scan it right now just because I haven't scanned any of this stuff. We're looking at about 12, say we're looking at about $12 new, but it might not be right. We're looking at probably $8, $4 plus shipping maybe. So that's not bad. Right there alone's a third of the box. Next up was this vintage thermos with the lid. It's very clean. The lid shows a couple marks on it, but it's still pretty nice. Everybody loves that old vintage brown and beige. A church sale wouldn't be this without this. Give us our day. Give us this day our daily bread. Somebody had $4 on it. That's probably why it's still sitting there. It was made in Taiwan. I figured, hey, I'm gonna toss it in the box. I'm gonna fill this box up to make sure I get my money's worth. Also, check the coffee mugs. We found this Starbucks coffee mug just sitting there out of the blue. Starbucks coffee mugs sell. This one's, I'm not even sure it was ever used. 2016 on it, so it's pretty decent. 77 cents though. Next up, picked up this American Standard shower head, tub spigot, and then the, I'm drawing a blank, the water handle, nozzle. So yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. Brand new in box. I did scan this whenever I got home on here, but I'm gonna scan it again. We're probably looking at about, I'm probably gonna list it at about $30 plus shipping. So it should be, I think it'll definitely move at that point. And last but not least, the thing I was showing you here. It had a price tag of $5 on it. Well, somehow I missed it the first time around. And as I was looking back to try to find one other thing to fill this box with, I noticed this older lady grabbed this case. And I was like, wonder what's in that. It was over near the electronics area. She opened it up and I was like, I cannot believe I missed this. I was like, that's a rookie mistake. I probably should have looked. Maybe it was hidden. Maybe they just put it over there. Who knows? Because it looked like they were still somewhat putting some stuff out. So I saw her grab it. She put it back in the case and then she started carrying it around. Well, then she came back and hid it, kind of. So I'm not sure if she was going to come back and grab it. Well, if she was going to come back and grab it, guess what? It's not there anymore. It's right here. So I'm going to get the case open first. It is the Pencrest Zoom 400. Won't be able to test it, but I thought this was super cool. With the case, oh yeah, I could definitely see in there. I can see you guys. But super cool. It looks like there's only one on eBay right now, but it also has the brochure for it with the case. The case has a little bit of crusties in it, I would say. But it also has the strap, which might have something all over it. So we'll clean that up. And it also has the line cap case, so pretty cool. All for 77 cents each, $10. Can't beat it. So there's definitely a few items here that alone will pay for this box. Now we did look over everything else, a bunch of china plates and stuff that I don't know too much about, so I kind of passed on them. Maybe I should have probably looked some of them up, but I was also in a hurry. I had some milk sitting in the car to get home to everybody, so I kind of was just a really quick trip and wasn't even prepared to go to this one. But Until next time, guys, remember, be kind, stay safe, stay healthy. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and share this video. Share it with everybody you know. And we appreciate everybody coming out to watch this video. And until next time, guys, remember, keep picking. Bye.